Greetings, esteemed viewers of YouTube. Are you ready to dive into the world of ethical entrepreneurship? If you're interested in starting a business that aligns with your values and contributes positively to society, you've come to the right video. Today, I'll walk you through the ultimate checklist for launching a halal business that is not only profitable, but also socially responsible and spiritually rewarding. So grab your notepad and let's get started. First up, the conceptualization phase. It's crucial to have a strong business idea, but it shouldn't be just any idea. It must be rooted in ethical and religious values. Your concept should address real needs and provide genuine value to your customers. Think of it as the soul of your business. Moving on to step 2, the strategic blueprint. It's essential to create a detailed business plan. Cover everything from your products or services to your target market, marketing strategies, sales techniques, and financial management. This plan will be your roadmap to success, so make it count. Next, step 3, emphasizing transparency. Integrity is key, folks. Maintain transparency and honesty in every aspect of your business. Whether it's dealing with customers, suppliers, or your employees, always strive for authenticity and fairness. Step 4 is all about adherence to Islamic principles. Follow Islamic business principles such as fair trade, honoring agreements, and avoiding deceit. These practices aren't just commendable, they're essential for a halal business. Then, step 5, pursuing sustainable growth. Focus on sustainable development and corporate social responsibility. Invest in communities and the environment to create lasting value for all stakeholders. It's about making profits while making a positive impact. Step 6, continuous learning and improvement. Commit to ongoing learning and improvement. Welcome feedback. Regularly evaluate your performance and adapt to ethical and legal changes in the society. Stay ahead by embracing a lifelong learning ethos. And finally, step 7, utilizing authoritative sources. For further guidance, turn to reputable sources and publications that outline the business planning process or explore halal business principles from an Islamic perspective. Knowledge is powerful, and these resources are your allies. There you have it, your step-by-step checklist for establishing a halal business poised for success in today's market. By following these steps, you can ensure that your venture is founded on ethical and religious values. Remember, it's not just about financial gain, it's about making a positive change. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on ethical entrepreneurship. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep pushing forward with passion.